What's going on, guys? So Sunex just sent me a couple boxes. They sent me pretty much a care package of a few new products that they're trying to showcase and get out there, and they want me to do an honest review on them and showcase them to you guys, so let's check them out. Alright guys, so this is the first thing I got from them. This is their pair of 22-ton jack stands. So I got these out of the box pretty quick because they are crazy heavy, and you can see how wide the base is on these and how durable they are, how strong they are, how thick the steel is. Like I said, they're crazy heavy. You do not want cheap 22-ton jack stands. If you don't know how many pounds 22-ton is, you probably don't need to be using this jack stand in the first place. These are built crazy good. They are, if you don't have 22-ton jack stands working on heavy-duty equipment or even semis, you need to get a pair. You're going to use them. You need to use them. And right here is a perfect example of a good quality set. So they are the complete pin design. So you adjust wherever you want them and you put the pin in. There you go. And the pin is also attached to a cable so you don't lose the dang pin. Can't tell you how many times I've had these at my old job where they weren't connected and people would lose the pin, and now you got to substitute something else that's obviously not as safe because the pin's missing. And now on this video also, guys, I'm not going to be doing really any demonstrations or showing you the uses of the tools or putting them to the test. This is pretty much just an unboxing video. So as time goes on, I will make a video for each of these tools showing you guys them completely in action, and you can see them put up to the test. So let's move on to the next box. All I did is open this one up. I just broke it free. I never even took nothing out of it yet. Let's see what we got in here. We have a pistol grip needle scaler. We have a straight needle scaler. And then we also have a pneumatic air saw. Let's check them out and see what they look like out of the box. Alright guys, so here is the air saw, and the first thing I noticed pretty much right off the bat is how light this thing is. I haven't put a magnet to it or anything, but it kind of appears to be aluminum, which is fine. As long as it's durable, that's fine. You also have this rubberized grip on there, so if it feels good in your hands, it kind of grips your hand a little bit, which is what I like. I like that on a lot of pneumatic tools. So ready to get a blade for this and put this to the test soon. Here's the straight needle scaler. It's got a pretty good length to it. Let me see if there's a part number on this thing, because I know there's a part number right here for the air saw. That is SXSW1001. The straight needle scaler, it is SX247, and this is a whole lot heavier. I do not believe that there is any aluminum on this. I believe this is all steel. They do not have any rubber comfort grip anywhere on this whatsoever, which is fine. And then let's kind of compare that to the 90-degree one. This one is a lot lighter. Now, I use these a lot. I've never had my own until now, but I used to borrow a guy from work, and we used to run dry bulk pneumatic trailers on semis that they had fly ash in them. If you guys don't know what fly ash is, it's pretty much the dry form of concrete before water's been mixed in it. And over time, around the lids on the top of those semi-trailers, concrete will dry and get built up, and we would use these to pretty much bust all the concrete up. You think an air hammer would work good. These do wonders. Also, for welding, I used to use this a lot when I was stick welding, and it would break up all the slag on it. This works awesome for stick welding. And I've never used a 90-degree one. I've always had a straight one. And this straight one, even this one, this is quite a bit bigger than that one I used to use at my old job. So hopefully it's got a little bit more of a punch. I could be wrong, but I think the straight ones have more power than these 90-degree ones. See what it says on the box. This is a straight one right here. 4,500 blows per minute. 19 different needles in it. It's 18 and a 16th long. 6.2 pounds. Let's look at this 90-degree one. It also has 4,500 blows a minute. The needle diameter, I didn't even pay attention to that. So, on the straight versus the 90-degree, the needle diameters are a little bit different. This straight one, the needles are actually a lot thicker than these ones. These ones are quite a bit thinner, actually. And let's see. Wrong box. The 90-degree one is just under 13 inches long. And it is 4 pounds, just over 4 pounds. So almost 5 pounds. So that is what I got from Sunex, guys. Give me time. I'm going to be making some new videos on this, and you guys can check out all these in action, doing some amazing work. And if you've watched this video this long and you're not following me, hit that like and follow button and support my channel. Thank you, guys.